Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and in this video let's understand what are data types and why do we need data types. So let's create a new file and I'm going to save this file with the name as datatypes.py. To understand why do we need data types, let's consider a few examples. So say for example, you are creating an application that requires you to store information about a stock. So you will require the company name, the price for the stock for that company, and if anyone wants to purchase the quantity for the same. Let's consider another example, say e-commerce shopping application. Now for an e-commerce shopping application, we have customers who place an order for a product, right? So they will be placing an order. So we will be definitely having an order ID. We'll have the date and time when the order was placed. We will have the product name or item name, whatever you want to give. We will have the price of the product. We will have the quantity purchased for that product and the total price. Say I just consider these attributes or characteristics. Now if you would notice, if I say company name, say for example it's Tata, so it will be Tata, it will never be Tata 1, 2, 3, correct? Same way if I say product name, then product name will be, say for example I am purchasing laptop. But for the product name, I can also have laptop followed by the model number of that laptop. So it can be laptop -LP 0 something like this. So you can see that we have the information stored for company name. In this case, it can be only characters. Product name, laptop followed by a model number. Price, it can be in decimal value. So I can say a product cost 23.45 or something. Quantity can never be decimal. It will be always be integers. So either I purchase 2 laptop, 1 laptop, I purchase 5 stocks for that company, so on and so forth. Can you see again date and time? Date and time will have a specific format. So it will be, say for example, YYY for year, then MM, and then maybe say DD for date and so on. So can you see, you want to work with different types of information, right? So what we are working? We are working with different types of information, which is also called as data. Because you want to work with different types of data, we have data types. Now Python supports following data types, that is int, float, string, complex and boolean. Let's have a look. So say for example, I say print round bracket, and if I write, there is a function. See, remember whenever we say whenever we have a word followed by round bracket, it's always a function. So I say print type of 20. Same way, type of 20 point something. I say print type of, in the quotes say hello. You can write these as well. I say print type of true. I say print type of, say 2 plus 3j. So I have an integer, I have decimal values, I have something in quotes that is called as string, if you remember. See, whenever you have such kind of requirements, like if I say do you want to continue, or if I say do you want to delete, are you sure you want to delete, are you sure you want to leave, these kind of questions have only two answers, yes or no. So in Python, to be able to take these kind of answers and work accordingly, we have for yes, that is true, and for no, that is false. We don't have any other options. Just yes or no, true or false. Alternatively, I can also say or 1, and for false, it is basically 0. So this true is basically represents that. So I can say print type of true, or I can say print type of false. Now if I run this, I can press the function key F5, that's a shortcut. So can you see, first one is integer, second one decimal values, it's float, third one in quotes, it's string, both of them true and false, they are boolean, and 2 plus 3j, they are imaginary numbers, so complex. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 data types available in Python. So remember, type is a function which you can use to get the type of any value. Print is a function which is used to print the output. I am putting type, this returns some result. I am giving that result to print, which just prints the output. So that's all with respect to the data types, why do we need, and the different data types available in Python. With this, we come to an end of this video. Next video, we will learn about importance of space and indentation in Python. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.